Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show this video how to reset all settings on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to reset all settings and you want to use a fresh Windows, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to just click on start menu, or you can click on this search menu, then type here reset. You will find reset this PC. Click on this. Here you will find reset PC. Under recovery option, just click on reset PC. Here you will find two options, keep my files and remove everything. If you want to keep your files, you can select this option. If you want to remove everything, you can select this second option. Local files and applications all will be removed if you select this option. So I am selecting keep my files. Current settings, restore apps and settings which came with this PC. Click on next. You can see ready to reset this PC. Reset will change settings back to their default, keep personal files, reinstall Windows from this device, remove all apps and programs. When I click on reset, the PC will be restart, and it will take some steps to reset. After completing that step reset, your PC will be completely reset. So this was the another method. So this was the method 1. I will show you the second method. Just click on reset PC. Now I will select remove everything. In the current settings, remove apps and files. Do not clean the drive. It will remove only apps and files. And your drive files like local, your personal files, that will be not deleted. It will be saved. Then click on next. Then click on reset. When I click on reset, my PC will be restarted, and after few steps my PC will be completely reset. That's it guys. So in this way you can reset your Windows 10 or Windows 11 completely. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.